Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the law and business contractor's license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. With our study guides and practice exams, you'll know everything you need to know about law and business contractors license and be able to pass that exam easily. Now, there are some basic requirements to have this contractor's license. You must be at least 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license, social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as another licensed contractor, employer supervisor, or business associate. Now, what to expect during the test and the exam? The test is closed book. There are no reference materials allowed to be brought into the testing facility. The questions are set up as a multiple choice in an ABCD format. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator will be provided. The testing's done on site and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and the way it's broken down. It's divided into 7 major sections. Business organization and licensing is 13%. Business finances, 15%, employment requirements 20%, insurance and liens 12%, contract requirements and execution 21%, public works 5%, and safety questions coming in at 14%. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. What determines how often an employer's payroll deposits are made to the IRS? A, the amount of payroll liability. Within how many days must an agreement to arbitrate be returned by the participants after being mailed by CSLB's registrar? D, within 30 calendar days. And number 3, if a construction company buys a new car for general use by the sales staff, to which of the following accounts would the depreciation of the car be charged? B, general and administrative costs. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, We have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.